what grief does. Grief is blinding. Grief is overwhelming. Kéèyàn máa ṣọ̀fọ̀. It takes a lot from you. So this video is for Allwell's brother. The young man that is hungry, that the industry where his sister worked did not celebrate her enough when she was alive. But are ready to celebrate her now by posting her pictures just because she's gone. Well, I cannot blame you. Àbúrò Allwell, I cannot blame you. Because first things first, you are going through pain. Ó wà nínú pain tó ṣe pé anybody lè máa understand. Especially tó bá jẹ́ wípé family ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀, ọmọ ìyá ẹ̀. Oh, grief is on another level. The pain you are going through. And one thing ni wípé grief yẹn máa ń jẹ́ kéèyàn feel pain, anger. Téèyàn bá kí ẹ gan ní time yẹn wá wò pé kí ló dé tó ń kí mi. Kí lẹni rò? Bó ló wà? Especially irú ikú òjijì báyìí, ó máa jẹ́ nǹkan tó ṣe wípé you just want to pain, you want something to punish, you want to punch something, you want to beat someone, you want to, ó fẹ́ fi anger yẹn, ó fẹ́ fi sára nǹkankan. Kì í ṣe pé it's not that you want to really beat people up or things like that, but you just feel like lashing out. And it is understandable. Èmi personally mo understand yẹn. Wípé ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀, suddenly this happened. You don't even know how you are feeling. Tán bá ní kán béèrè lọ́wọ́ ìwọ gan pé báwo ló ṣe ṣe ẹ́, ìwọ gan ò lè express ara ẹ̀. So the best thing you can do is try to just push a lot of emotions out. And while you are doing that, you will lash out. Àwọn tí ò bá wá gbọ́n, wọ́n á rò wípé òun bèbú. Wọ́n á rò wípé ara ń kan ẹ́. Wọ́n á rò wípé ìgbà yìí láàárọ̀ ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá ń sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n ò mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó ń go through òun ló ń push àwọn emotions yẹn jáde.